This chicken Caesar pasta salad is perfect for picnics, potlucks, or easy weeknight dinners. It's packed with flavor and sure to be a hit with everyone. In this step-by-step tutorial, cook the pasta in a large pot of salted boiling water. Drain and rinse with cold water to stop the cooking process. Salt and pepper chicken breast, pan sear in 3 tablespoons of olive oil and cut into cubes. Rinse and drain 1 can of diced tomatoes. Dice a cucumber and chop fresh parsley. Combine.
I walk a mile